Guys, feast your eyes on this classic. The class of 1965. It's a Honda CL160 Scrambler, one of the smallest twin-cylinder four-stroke, high-performance four-strokes they ever made, and it's got the heart of a lion. It may be 160 cc's, but it pulls like a 300. This is the only bike out of the entire collection of 50 bikes that we're auctioning off this month that the mechanic was like, you know, I'd really like to keep this one. He's the one who worked on it. This thing's an absolute diamond, and I fall in love with it too. It's just something about this bike is just, you look at the pictures, watch the way it runs, and look closely. This is an original 58-year-old classic. It's the original factory paint on the tank, the original badges inside of the tank. When we got it and I opened the tank, I was like, I swear I heard angels singing. You just don't find 60-year-old motorcycles where the inside of the tank looks that clean. This is a bike that was loved by the original owner since it was brand new, stored indoors, and it's an absolute diamond. It needed very, very little attention by us. Mechanic took the carbs off, cleaned and rebuilt them, cleaned out and put new air filters in there, flushed the tank, put new fuel lines on it, and put a new battery in it, and that was about it. And it's just, if Honda made these today, I think they'd sell like hotcakes. It's just a kick-ass little bike. I'll give you a little ride now. Electric start and kick start. This baby was ahead of its time. If you're looking for a classic bike that you're actually going to ride a lot, you want to ride two up, this would be perfect for at the beach or at the campground. It's small, light, you can put it on the back of your camper. You don't get any better than this. Off, but left the bolts on. So yeah, these are the original license plate bolts. Check it out. So guys, this thing's 100% original in mint. That's even the original saddle on this thing. Original backrest. The headlight works. The high beam indicator works. The high beam movie works. The horn. These are the original grips, the original bars, even the original levers with the original plastic coating still intact on the clutch lever. Just remarkable. Only 7,000 original miles. The chrome on the rims, the chrome on the exhaust. Usually the exhausts are rotted out. They're all messed up. This is the nicest original I've seen yet. Most of the 160s are ridden into the ground by kids who, you know, use them as their main source of transportation. For two-up riding, it's fantastic. It's got the passenger rest for your passenger, a luggage rack, so you can put a cooler on here or a luggage bag. Check out the taillight on this thing. Look at this thing. It's 58 years old. The rear fender, mint. Just a fantastic, classic, original Scrambler. Most of the Scramblers were ridden off-road. This one's never been ridden off-road or abused. And you can see it was clearly loved by the original owner for its entire life. The only reason it was given up is, well, they were in their 70s and late 70s and weren't able to ride anymore. So we're going to find a new home for it. The mechanic himself fell in love with it, so there's a sign. This thing's a diamond. Look at the original badges on this thing. Freaking remarkable. Looks like a new bike, runs like a new bike, but it goes up in value, unlike a new bike that goes up by an investment quality classic. That's surely going to appraise every year. Very inexpensive to own and operate, and they get over 70 miles per gallon. This engine was derived from a Honda road racer, so it'll rev to 10,000 RPM. It's a high-performance twin-cylinder four-stroke. We had a high-quality Japanese components. Bit high, a bit off, but you're not going to find a nicer one. Perfect machine for guys looking to get into collecting or a collector who wants a bike that's affordable. They can stop riding it. Thing's a joy. Guys, it'll be on display in the 3rd floor of the New England Motorcycle Museum in the Classic Honda section. If you want to come take a look at it, if you have any questions, call us. We have funding available in-house through Freedom Road, and we can ship it anywhere in the country. If you want to leave it here, this is a bike I'd love to have on display in the museum in perpetuity. Wish we could afford to keep it. Thanks for watching. God bless America.